Hello, my name is Lorcan Collins and I run the 1916 walking tour in Dublin. Now every year, as you know, St. Patrick's Day and St. Patrick's Week is celebrated in Ireland, and we welcome our friends from all around the world to come to Dublin. However, unfortunately this year we won't be able to do that, but we have something in store for you. Many of us have come together and we've made virtual tours of Dublin. I will be bringing you around to show you all the sights of 1916 and the revolutionary period. So I hope you'll join us for a very special online St. Patrick's Day.